There's one clear winner when it comes to the best free editing software in the world. In fact, it's so good, comparing it to other free editing software seems unfair. I could use it to edit every video I've ever made on my YouTube channel without missing anything from Final Cut, which is what I currently use. You've probably guessed it from the title, but the best free editing software in the world is DaVinci Resolve. It does have one massive problem, which means it's not the best at all though, and that's you. Sorry. You see, if you want to get into editing, take it seriously, develop as an editor, color grade, get into motion graphics, maybe even end up as a professional editor one day, then this is where I would start right now. I'm so jealous that when I was 14, iMovie was the only free option. Now we have pretty much pro software free with mountains of free tutorials on YouTube teaching you how to do pretty much anything on it. So the reason you're the issue with the free editing software is if you don't want to craft your editing skills, if you just want to piece things together or add a bit of text here or there, this is probably far too overwhelming or too long to learn for you. However, I believe that even if that's all you want to do, you're still probably better off learning this system just in case you do realize you enjoy it or want more, because it won't take that long to get a grasp of the basics. If you learn something else and then want more, you're going to have to switch to a new paid system to get all the features this offers, which means you'll eventually have to learn new software anyway. You're just prolonging that. If you want to switch to a paid system from Resolve, you just upgrade to Resolve Studio and off you go. There's a real minimal learning curve. So before watching the rest of this review to see why this is the best, ask yourself, what kind of editor do you want to be? If you're anything other than someone who wants the fastest way to piece together simple clips and add a bit of text, stay tuned. So I started with the cons of Resolve. If you're new to editing, or even if you're not, there's a learning curve. I've been learning it, trying to work out where the buttons are to do what I do on Final Cut Pro, and it's still been frustrating. But I remember this feeling when I was learning iMovie and Final Cut, so it will be worth it in the long run. The next con is if you want to do more than mega basic editing, you need more power in your computer. I made a video that will teach you what to look for in an editing computer, so if you want to go into more detail in that, check that out, the link will be in the description. But that's really it for the cons. The pros, I'm going to start with some quick fire points, which if you're looking at other free options, you'll probably find most have these annoying little issues that this does not. Like, it works on Macs and PCs. You can export videos longer than 10 minutes for free. In fact, you can export 4K videos for free, as long as you like, although I've not tried to export a 15-hour video, so don't quote me on that. There's also no watermark on the video exported either. So straight away you can see why this is a good option for no money at all. Then we have the actual editing. Across the bottom of the timeline, you have these different tabs. The first is where you bring in your media and you can sort through it all. The next, you can then cut the content up. Then there's the editing timeline where you can do editing, add text, cut, add effects, transitions, generators, add keyframes. This basically means you can animate things. So you can keep it simple and move text about like this, or you could go much deeper with it. You can also stack your timeline. Tracks aren't limited to only a few layers of content, so you can jump between multiple layers of B-roll, A-roll, camera angles, you name it. You can then jump into Fusion. So this is pretty much Resolve's After Effects. So you can mask things, which means you can make cool effects like this. You can make your own transitions, effects, motion track, which means you can do things like this. You can't do that in Final Cut Pro without plugins. The sky is the limit with this. Unless you want to do 3D animation, then you need to upgrade. Then we move on to the color grading. So color grading is changing the look of a video, the colors of it, the contrast and so on. So this is how I look before I'm graded, and this is how I look after. Color grading is an art form, and this is actually one of the industry standard color grading platforms, which you get for free. The sky's the limit with what you can do with this. It should cost thousands of pounds. I don't get it. Just Google DaVinci Resolve color grading tutorial and you'll find hours of content to help make you stunning content. The next tab gives you the ability to edit your sound, and then the final option is your export. You can export straight to YouTube with the desired settings, export for Final Cut, Adobe, export a video in pretty much any setting you can imagine. Although don't turn around and go, you can't export in this obscure setting that no one uses, because I didn't check them all. And of course, you can make videos that are square or portrait. And one of my favorite things about this, which you can't do on Final Cut Pro, is you can add subtitles and then customize the look. You have to use the ugly default text on Final Cut if you add an SRT file. This can help you make amazing square videos with branded subtitles, so much better. The thing that makes me laugh is when you look at the things that are not included in the free version of Resolve over the paid version, you're missing a few effects. You can't export in 8K. I mean, working with 4K is a mission for most, so this is probably doing you a favor right now. You can't collaborate on a project. So on the paid one, you can have multiple teams working on multiple projects or the same project, which is amazing if you're a production company, and you can't reduce noise. But if you set your cameras up well, you don't need to. Oh, you can't also refine a face. This is Resolve analysing the movement of a face so you don't have to manually mask it for colour grading. You'll also have no 3D stereoscopic tools. I don't even know what that means, or if I said it right. I think only Christopher Nolan probably knows what that means. So yeah, upgrading on this, which will still work out cheaper than Premiere Pro in the long run, really does take you to the next level. If you're thinking, wow, I don't need half of those features, you're probably right, you don't. I don't. But why limit yourself? You don't have to use them. You could edit your video in the edit section and export, no motion graphics or fancy color grading. And over time, when you're more used to the basics and the platform, the more advanced features will appear easier to use. They'll be less intimidating, less confusing, and it'll enable you to do more faster. I'm actually excited for kids and people who want to get into video. This shouldn't be free. And I think if you're not the sort of person who's willing to learn and grow, then you probably shouldn't start making videos in the first place. But why on earth is this free? Well, it's marketing. DaVinci make cameras, they make all kinds of production kit, and they have an upsell. You used to get this free when you bought a camera. They've since then just given it to everyone. They know that when you learn an editing software, you're less likely to leave it too, because new things take more time to learn. So get them in young and hold them there for years. I hope that inspired you to check it out and to stick with the initial confusion if you're new to editing, or even if you're making the switch. I think it's going to be worth it. I wish I'd started on this software anyway. It didn't really exist when I started. If you want to learn more about editing computers, then check out this video here, or if you'd like to learn some editing tricks that you can do on Resolve or any decent editing software, watch this video here. Hit subscribe as we release 3 videos a week that will help you make videos, promote, present, and grow a YouTube channel.